But before we start today's video, subscribe to our channel, hit the bell notification icon, and like, share, and comment to this video.
Today I'll be trying out the Suplaud Tankless RO water system. It comes with a stylish smart water faucet, a power adapter, and all the hoses and connections you'll need to install this Suplaud water system in your home. It's got an advanced 7-stage water filtration system that removes a wide variety of water pollutants, and it also has a high flow rate of up to 600 gallons per day. The water in our county is hard and very chlorinated, so I'm really excited to install this water filter. Let's get right to it. This system comes with a faucet that has a smart display on it. This display will tell you the real-time TDS, which is the total amount of dissolved solids that are present in your water. The screen also displays a filter life, which is a great feature to have to maintain the best quality water at all times. The long power cable lets you install the faucet pretty much anywhere you want in the kitchen, even if it's far away from the water filtration unit. The installation is simple and can be accomplished by anyone without any specialty tools. Both the water and power cables attach to the side of the water filtration unit. The hoses are nice and long, giving you lots of room to work with, and they attach using these simple, quick connect fittings. The unit can be installed on top of the countertop or underneath the cabinet, and the faucet is held in place using this adapter. Maintaining the unit is simple and requires no special tools. Simply unscrew the filters and replace them with new ones when the time is needed. This compact and innovative design looks great, and it takes up very little space. Let's install the water filtration unit. You can either tap into an existing water line or run a brand new water line straight to the unit. In our case, we're running this 1/2-inch PEX all the way to the water filter. After cutting off the existing cap, we can now install a 1/2-inch threaded adapter. Note that this step is not entirely necessary. You can easily tap into your existing water line and don't have to cut any water pipes. The only reason I'm doing this is because I ran a brand new water line straight to the unit. Now that we have a 1/2-inch threaded fitting, we can now install the water inlet tee. This tee lets you tap straight into your cold water line and runs a fresh water supply all the way to the water system. Make sure you go around the threads 3 or 4 times with Teflon tape, which is also included with the Suplaud water filter. Once all the threads have been covered with tape, you can install the tee using a wrench. Make sure the connection is nice and snug to prevent any water leaks. With the tee installed, we can now install the existing water connection. This is the supply that runs to your sink. If the water filter is the only appliance on this water line, you can always cap the end of the tee. Once it's capped, we can now install the main water supply hose. Simply insert the hose, then give it a nice pull. The inner housing will separate from the metal housing, giving you just enough space to install a locking clip. And just like that, this hose is ready to go. This water filter is compatible with a wide variety of hoses and connections. It even comes with a few adapters, so it's sure to fit your water system. You can install the smart water faucet pretty much anywhere, but you might have to drill a hole into your countertop. Right now I'm finding the best location for the water faucet. Once I have that down, I can drill a 1-inch hole to install the threaded adapter. With the hole drilled out, we can now install the faucet mount. One rubber gasket goes on top of the countertop, and the other goes underneath. The entire thing is held together with this threaded nut. Now we can put the faucet's power cable through the hole. This cable should be long enough to reach all the way to the water filter. Next, we can run the faucet's water line through the same hole. Once both of these lines are in place, we can screw the faucet onto the adapter. The faucet's water line will connect to this white water line, coming off the water filter. They connect using the same push-type fittings. Don't forget to put the locking clips on the fittings, and give the hoses a nice pull. Make sure the connections are good and tight. To install the drain hose, you will have to drill a small hole into your drain pipe. I removed the P-trap from underneath the sink so you can see what I'm doing much easier. With the hole drilled out, we can install this gasket, then the drain hose adapter. The adapter is held into place by 2 screws, one on each side. Place the bottom of the adapter onto the pipe, then place the 2 nuts into this piece. Carefully flip it over, then install the 2 screws. Tighten these down with a screwdriver and make sure that the drain hole is still aligned properly. Once the drain hose adapter is installed, simply insert the red drain hose. As always, don't forget to install the locking clip. Now that all the accessories are connected, we can now install the 3 water hoses. The color-coded water lines make this installation a breeze. Here's a power cable, but we're going to wait on that and install the water faucet power cable first. When the cable is inserted fully, you can lock it into place using this threaded cap. Now that everything is installed, we can turn on the water supply and plug in the power to the water filter. As soon as you plug in the water filter, the unit turns on and begins a priming cycle. This 7-stage deep filtration water system effectively removes a wide variety of pollutants, like chlorine, lead, salt, rust, PFAs, and so much more. It's got an impressive flow rate of up to 600 gallons per day, or 1.6 liters per minute, and can fill your cup in less than 8 seconds. It's also highly efficient as well, and has a very low drainage rate of 2:1, which means only 1 cup of wastewater is produced for every 2 cups of pure water produced. This device is great for homes, offices, labs, or pretty much any other application where ultra-pure water is necessary. Our tap water is virtually undrinkable in our region, so I use this water filtration system to produce nice clean water and clean ice for my family. The unit also has built-in protections, so if it senses that water is running for over an hour, it'll automatically shut off the system. The built-in TDS checker continuously monitors all the quality of your drinking water. And it also has a filter indication light, so you know when your filters are needing to be changed. This water filtration system from Suplaud has been such an important addition to our home. It gives me peace of mind knowing that our water is safe and drinkable, and our family's health is our #1 priority. If you'd like to learn more about this unit and others like it, check out the link below, and thanks for watching.